Almost done. Distribution next. Let's get to work. Good. God bless you.
God bless my sister, darling.
Hello everyone! Support our dream goes to... Tignan niyo kung asa ko padala mo. Let's go everyone!
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, hello. Hi. Good morning. Did I speak us? Huh? Hi. Hello. Uy. Hi. Hello. Hi. Kayo. Hi. Good morning. Oh, di sabulong. Hi, good morning. Yay! That is actually nice. Kaya bukan yung bata. Ako. Ano lang sabihin? Grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're very happy, grateful kay syempre nahatagan mi og privilege nga mahatagan ani mga school supplies, and of course we're very thankful sa sponsor na naghatag ni ani. So salamat kaayo and God bless. George.
Wait to. Sinayawan Elementary School, we would like to thank you all for your support. Thank you guys! Yay! Salamat kayo sa inyong pagdawal sa atong mga school supplies. Okay? Pagluso eskwela. Okay? Yay!
Salamat po!
Praise the Lord sa atong mga sponsors. God bless you guys. Padano eskwela ha? Okay. We all did a great job everyone. Mupaulit na ko. Daghang kayo salamat. And of course sa atong mga sponsors, daghang kayo salamat. And thank you all so much for giving these kids hope to achieve their dreams by support the dream advocacy. Daghang kayo salamat. I'm gonna see you again next time everyone. Blessings. Mag-amping ka.